Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're taking to the skies with two titans of the drone world, the LMRC-12, which we'll call the LM-12, and the Loily drone, affectionately known as Loily. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be a high-flying, fun-filled showdown. All right, let's dive into the first category that makes or breaks our bank accounts. Price. On the left, we have the LM-12, priced at a budget-friendly $79. On the right, we have Loily, coming in at a slightly higher $99. That's right, folks, for the price of a couple of avocado toasts, you could be soaring through the skies. Now, let's talk about what really matters, capturing those epic selfies and stunning aerial shots. Both drones boast a 1080p HD camera. The LM-12 has a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle, and it even offers dual camera switching. It's like having a mini Michael Bay directing your flights. Meanwhile, Loily also sports a 1080p HD camera with a remote adjustable 90 degrees angle. Plus, it comes with optical flow positioning technology to keep things steady. Reviewers say that the LM-12 provides good video quality and stability, while Loily's camera is described as decent but reliable for beginners. Next up, user-friendliness. Because let's be honest, nobody wants to feel like they're piloting a spaceship just to take a selfie. The LM-12 is designed for all ages with features like headless mode, one-key start landing, and even hand gesture photo video. It's so simple, even your grandma could fly it. And maybe she should. On the other hand, Loily offers one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and even voice control. Yes, you can literally talk to your drone, "Hey Loily, do a flip," and it will. It's like having a tiny, obedient robot butler in the sky. Reviewers found the LM-12 easy to use and great for beginners, while Loily's voice control and stability make it user-friendly as well. Now, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay in the air. The LM-12 gives you a decent 26 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. That's enough time to capture your entire backyard barbecue and still have time for a quick game of drone tag. Loily, on the other hand, promises a flight time of 25 to 30 minutes. So you get a few extra minutes to perfect that aerial shot of your cat ignoring you. Plus, it has overvoltage protection and a low battery warning, so you won't end up with a drone stuck in a tree. Both drones have received positive feedback for their battery life, making them reliable for extended use. Now, let's see which drone is more travel-friendly, because nobody wants to lug around a flying suitcase. The LM-12 is compact and lightweight, but Loily takes it a step further. You can literally fold it up and fit it into your pocket or backpack. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones, minus the tiny scissors. Reviewers appreciate the portability of both drones, but Loily's foldable design stands out. Last but not least, let's talk about those extra bells and whistles. The LM-12 offers fun features like drawing a flight path, 3-level flight speed, and it's even wind-resistant. It's like the superhero of drones, faster, stronger, and quieter. Meanwhile, Loily offers smart app control, 360 degrees flips, gravity sensing, and even the ability to add music and filters to your videos. It's like Instagram, but with wings. Reviewers enjoyed the extra features on both drones, with the LM-12 being praised for its stability and Loily for its fun and advanced features. Summing up the reviews, the LM-12 is often praised for its ease of use, video quality, and value for money, although some users have reported issues with the case and control app. On the other hand, Loily is appreciated for its advanced features, ease of operation, and portability, though it may struggle in windy conditions, and the app could use improvements. So there you have it, folks. Both the LM-12 and Loily drones offer fantastic features at different price points. The LM-12 is your reliable, budget-friendly option, while Loily brings a bit more flair and fun for a slightly higher price. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fun and informative product comparison. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart, and keep those drones in the sky. Product links are in the description.